Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Monday.com columns. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in one place. Columns are a key feature in Monday.com that enable users to organize and track their work efficiently. To get started with Monday.com columns, first you need to create a board. A board is a visual representation of your work, and it is where you will add your columns. To add a column, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your board and select the type of column you want to add. Monday.com offers a variety of column types including text, number, date, and more. Once you have added your columns, you can start adding items to your board. Items are the individual tasks or projects that you want to track. To add an item, click on the plus icon at the bottom of your board and fill in the relevant information. One of the key concepts in Monday.com columns is the ability to customize your columns to fit your specific needs. You can do this by clicking on the column header and selecting Edit Column. From here, you can change the column type, add a formula, or set a default value. Another important concept is the use of formulas in Monday.com columns. Formulas allow you to automate calculations and workflows. For example, you can use a formula to calculate the total cost of a project or to set a deadline based on a specific date. To use formulas in Monday.com columns, click on the column header and select Edit Column. Then, click on the Formula tab and select the type of formula you want to use. Monday.com offers a variety of formulas including basic arithmetic, date, and text formulas. In addition to formulas, Monday.com columns also allow you to set dependencies between items. Dependencies enable you to create a workflow where one item is dependent on the completion of another item. To set a dependency, click on the item and select Add Dependency. Best practices for using Monday.com columns include keeping your columns organized and up to date, using formulas to automate calculations and workflows, and setting dependencies to create a workflow. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com columns and streamline your work. In conclusion, Monday.com columns are a powerful tool for managing your work. By understanding how to create and customize columns, use formulas, and set dependencies, you can take your workflow to the next level. With this guide, you now have the knowledge to create a customized workflow that fits your specific needs and helps you achieve your goals.